We are going to pour the egg whites into a mixing bowl and mix them until it forms soft peaks. Pour in 1 tablespoon of sugar at the time gradually. Now I'm scraping down the sides to ensure the sugar has been mixed well. Continue adding the sugar and also add in the vanilla essence, corn flour and lemon juice. Continue mixing well until it has formed stiff peaks. Okay, now I'm putting the meringue to the piping bag so that I can pipe the shape of the wreath, which is the shape of a circle. I put meringues on the side of the paper so that it stays on the baking tray while it's baking. If it doesn't look like a circle, it's totally fine. I tried my best. Now I'm going to put the remaining of the meringue onto the baking paper. Now we are going to toss it into the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for about an hour or until the top has turned brown. Next, we are going to whip the whipping cream. For decorations, I chose raspberry, kiwi and blueberries, but you can choose the fruits of your choice. To top it off, I use chocolate sauce and flakes for the Christmassy vibes. I hope you guys enjoy Christmas as well. If you've liked this video, please help to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.